Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Dominque Cosmetics brow frame, brow pencil, and the Wide Awake concealer. So if you would like to see what I think about these two products, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Guys, how are you? I'm doing okay. I'm back here filming with you today, and I have been seeing this brow pencil be viral everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, so I wanted to try it out, and I have always wanted to try her concealer. So I have tried this once before, but I didn't really do a review on it. I just wanted to see how it would wear, and it weared for a good 12 or more hours. And I really like the way it's made. So we're going to go through that, and I'm going to show you how it's made. So when you open the pencil, it is like not a triangle, but you can see how it's made. This side is flat, so you can do brow strokes through here. You can also draw this way, and then you can fill in this way. It's really amazing. I've never seen a brow pencil like this, and I really like it. I'm a Benefit girl. I love my Precisely My Brow Pencil. But this right here, the other side, this is the spoolie. It comes out. And then if you can see the little, there's some little edges right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But this is how you sharpen it. So if it gets unsharpened, which I haven't sharpened it yet, you just run it down the edges and it sharpens the tip. I think that's really genius. Yes. So I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to brush my brow hairs up. And I'm going to keep it down a little low. Oh, this can't really see. I need more. Let me turn this to the, there we go. So I'm going to start drawing the brow strokes. This is an amazing pencil. From just using it one time, I have fallen in love with it. Let me brush through. I hope Ellie's not in there getting full on food because she's not doing well, guys. She can't get her sugar regulated, and I'm really worried about her. And it's been hard taking care of her while I'm not doing too well, so I don't know what we're going to do just quite yet. I need to pluck my brows. Haven't cleaned that up in a while. Okay, so this is what the brows are giving now that I have put that through. So you can see a big difference in that. A big difference. Let me get this side. Bubba. And this brow seems to be a little thinner than this brow, so I really like that I can get right underneath it and make it a little thicker so they match better. So here are the two of them, and I gotta clean them up. I am going to go up on this side, make it a little more fuller right there in the front. And this color looks so good. So there is the brows. Now, I just put on my foundation, so let's use this concealer. And the concealer is in the shade Almond Milk. Oh, well. And it comes with a steel tip, so it don't have a brush. Let me put some on and I can show you the tip. So this is the tip. It was laying on its side, so I think that's why it was covered. Okay, let's put some on this other side. They were sold out from a lot of colors, so this is not the shade that I would have really liked to have had. It was one of the lighter shades, but I would have liked to have had one that has some pink in it. Now we're going to blend it out. And I'm going to use a sponge today because it's already wet and I need to get this blended out. Oh, I didn't put it all over my face. I ain't done makeup in so long, guys. Feels like at least a week, if not longer. So here's under the eyes. Let me get some on my nose. I do like this tip because it makes it cleaner. You know, going back down in your concealer. And you can wipe it off. I do not remember how much these two were because I've had them for several weeks. I'm gonna go to Sam's and get some paper towels, but I haven't been going out anywhere because it's really hard for me to drive right now with my neck. And Brian, he's always at work, so it's kind of hard to ask him to do things too. Where he's always working, he's tired. Okay, so there is the concealer. Now I'm going to clean up underneath my brows. So I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the tip of this shader brush. And we're just going to dab it on the back of the hand. I really love this brow pencil. I think that I am going to trade and do this brow pencil instead of the Benefit one because it makes such nice brow strokes, guys. It really does. But yeah, let me know, have you tried this pencil yet? And if you have not, and you have sparse brows, or microbladed brows, and you haven't went back to get them filled in, this does really, really, really good. And so far, so good on the concealer too. But I wanted to share this with you guys. So let me know if you're going to try them or if you have tried them and what are your thoughts. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.